these things do in real life situations. Oh, hey folks, your Yeti koozies fell off your rig? Here's some somewhat haggard koozies for you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hey Ronnie. I heard Ralph is up the trail waiting to kick your ass. Here's a twisted tea, go mess him up. Oh, hey Bob, you broke an axle? Here's a beer.
You laughed?
It'll be okay.
It'll be okay.
All right, we're doing some not so final touches on the machines before we go to Brimstone in a month. Someone, I think it was this guy, broke something on my machine or something came loose, so we gotta investigate that. Dude's mounting his spare tire here. We got the spare tire racks to install. And dude has a second battery kit to install. All right, my machine's done for the day. This one here, driver's side front needs a lower ball joint. Someone rolled my machine and that probably is why that is messed up. So we're moving on to dude's machine. We're gonna start with a real horsepower adder. It's the dual battery kit from Polaris.
Yep.
So it comes with this crap here, and then he got a second battery. Sold separately.
They give you double hardware for put the cable in there.
Return
Okay.
it. Return it.
I'm going to. Crazy like that.
Looks like he's doing big things.
You can't play any of this because the music's going
Oh.
Come on!
Dude's first pro tip down there. Don't drop the clips on your skid plate. Please. Come on.
Jesus Christ. Jesus.
Dude, this thing's basically a Tesla. Well, while dude's dicking around with that, I'll show you guys what Send It Steph's been slaving over a hot cricket doing. Look at that bad boy. Doing research and development today with these. Then working on these. Boom-ish. I swear I am a model. Daisy's sick of watching dude dick around with this, so she's gonna show him how it's done.
Yeah.
Dude. Jesus. Dude, you installing this or you just making a rat's nest?
Both.
Dude, what a shit show.
Oh,
You gonna cut those?
branch.
All right, he thinks he has it all wired up down there. Since the machine turned on, I'm assuming he did it some kind of right. Dude, that's not more horsepower.
Yeah, it is.
All right, next up, the Polaris spare tire rack carrier, hydraulic swivel guy for all your spare tire needs. Both machines are getting this one. We're just putting this on dudes right now because mine has the broken ball joint. It doesn't deserve it right now. They give you the little strap for the spare tire, all the clamps, the shocks,
Battery.
dude not included.
Whoa, dude. Oh, stink bug.
From the beginning.
Dude, is it in park?
No.
All right, racks on dude's machine. He's gonna take it for a test spin here with the new spare tire. Fits like a glove. Dude, now I gotta scrap
Yeah,
that
dude.
fucking thing down.
Where's my strap? Oh shit!
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what Hank's. Dude, what's wrong with it? Dude, that's huge. Dude, yeah. Check out. You got a beer holder on there. Yeah. Now you got room to strap beer on top of your side by side.
Dude, open it up.
Whoa!
Oh my Jesus. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, hey folks, your Yeti koozies fell off your rig? Here's some somewhat haggard koozies for you. Ah, God damn it. I forgot to flip the thing up.
Third time.
Don't worry, I'm editing this part out. Oh, hey folks, your Yetis fell off your rig? Here you go, here's some somewhat haggard. Fuck. Give them back. Oh, hey folks, your...
We're not watching it.
I know, that's fine.
Dude, it fell right in the puddle, man.
In your
You were
face.
supposed to catch it.
Well, you threw it all haggard.
Grab it, bitch.
Alright. Oh, hey, Ronnie. I heard Ralph is up the trail waiting to kick your ass. Here's a twisted T. Go mess him up. I forgot to flip it up again. Give me the twisted T. Oh, hey, Bob. Broken axle? Here's a beer. I know, I took my hand off.
Hey, Jeremy, get your shit together. A sound drop.
was gonna come check it out.
You're not letting me go?